Hey, Gliston Fridmunder here. In episode 136, I showed me and my sons as we worked on some light forge work in my son's forge. One of the viewers recommended that I show what we experienced when we took our trip to the Southern Ohio School of Blacksmithing. And that's where we learned what little we know about forging, and of course we've tried to develop our skills since that time. But I do have some pictures and footage of that left over, so I thought that would be kind of fun to show that. So at viewer request, here we go. This is the Southern Ohio School of Blacksmithing. So
Dungeons and Coffee presents Aha Tips.
I have a management problem where I have to go, I got a hot spot right in the middle, cooler, so it's a juggling thing that it's just not very effective way of doing production. So now, check out what I've got. I've got my coke in here, I have very little smoke. What I just did right here is my coke is going to bust up and then go down through the grate, and I have to keep making new coke. So I just took green coal, piled it up here. So I say to myself, okay, I made it an eighth of an inch point. Here's what I do. Come up. I'm going to raise it up. At the edge, I'll change my top hammer. I'm going to half the thickness. Now I'm going to turn it at a right angle. Half the thickness. If you have a longer twist, you go 2 times around, just your preference. And ugly turn organic and freeform. And in order for me to stretch it out long enough, I've got to go square, taper, and then round it. So it's like all the same. So you'll notice some similarities. Not that way because it's not wedge shaped there. This way, when it comes down on the steel, it's going to push steel that way and this way. So if you look at this top die, it's shaped the same way. And when it hits, it's only going to spread metal this way and not this way. Knowing that, I'm going to come around here now and I'm going to work so that I can spread the leaf sideways. If I go over here, then I'm going to be in a line. So if you notice these lines start changing, and so I just followed that metal because I wanted the metal to come around the corner a little bit. Okay, and now your brain says, what is that? Is that a leaf or is that an ace of spades? So right now you don't really know what it is, so I'm going to start giving your brain a little bit more information so that you can tell. Give me my choices. So now what I'll do is I'm going to cut this off with a hot cutter, I'm going to quench everything. It'll probably be way easier. You want to do too, please remember this. Don't ever, I've seen this on YouTube. You've got a hot cutter in here, don't ever use this anvil. This will slice your hand wide open. It'll open your hand really bad. I've seen people cut something, come over here and work, and come really close. It's scary stuff. When you're done with that tool, take it out and let it work. I put something hot in there, it's not going to have that fireball come up. Number two is we've used vegetable oil before. You use a vegetable oil at night, a mouse will walk around in here, climb up there, start licking, slide in, die, and now he's floating in your oil dead. We've never had a mouse in this peanut oil. Peanut oil, if you go to the right restaurants, is free. Every Thursday they change your oil. And this oil, all we do is add to it. You just add another 5, it doesn't turn rancid. The vegetable oil will turn rancid. Your hooks, we heat up the steel, we let the oil go in the pores, then this is starting to cool down, so the pores start closing up, and it holds the oil. So now, it is water repellent. It's a hand-rubbed oil finish. So one day I'm going to get a new diesel pickup truck, and this is what I want. I'm going to heat it up with a torch and wipe it down with peanut oil, because that is the coolest color ever. Look at that. And water cannot get into it. This only works, you cannot use this outside. If you use it outside, the sun will warm it up, the pores will open, the oil will run out, starts to rust. I probably would maybe not even use it in a bathroom setting because it's high humidity and steam and stuff. You may end up with your towel bars rusting. So you